Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start with the car parked and ignition set to on or ACC so the electronics stay active. Once done, reach the center infotainment screen or the digital instrument cluster, depending on your Swift model, to access settings. You press the physical menu or touch settings, then choose system or clock immediately. This gives you direct control of date and time options. Make sure to keep the parking brake engaged while you navigate settings to stay safe. You now decide whether you want a 12-hour or 24-hour display because that affects how you enter the time. Choose the format first. Next, use the touchscreen or the steering wheel scroll and OK buttons to highlight hours, then change them and repeat for minutes, pressing +/- or swiping as required. Once the time digits show correctly, confirm your selection so the system saves it. If in 12-hour mode, make sure AM or PM is set correctly to avoid a 12-hour error. After you set the time, save the change and exit to the main screen to verify the clock displays correctly. Do this every time. If your Swift supports GPS or network time, enable automatic sync so the system updates for daylight savings and travel. This prevents repeated manual edits. If the clock reverts or won't save, make sure the car battery has proper voltage and check for infotainment software updates. If problems persist, reset the system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.